Hello everyone, I have come up with some really cool mnemonics to help you remember everything that is memory based from the 11th grade biology chapter Mineral Nutrition. Now let's get started. The first mnemonic that I have here for us is going to help us remember all of the 9 macronutrients that are listed in the NCERT textbook. So here's how the mnemonic goes. Maggie neatly chops calendula from the pot. So Maggie here is for magnesium, neat is for nitrogen, neat and night because they sound somewhat similar. Neat is for nitrogen, and every one of these letters in the word chops represents a particular element. C is for carbon, H for hydrogen, O is for oxygen, T for phosphorus, S sulfur. Calendula, in case you don't already know, calendula is the name of a flower. So calendula is for calcium, pot is for potassium. In order to make your lives even more easier, I have added an image of Maggie Lindman over here. I'm sure you all know who she is. She's very popular for the song, "'Cause I'm not just a pretty girl," right? In this image, you can see Maggie Lindman standing next to plants, flowering plants that are potted. So with this image fixed in your heads, it's very easy for you to remember this mnemonic as well, because calendula is the name of a flower and Maggie is Maggie Lindman, right? In case you're wondering what from the represents, all of the words within the brackets, they don't really mean anything, they don't represent anything, they're just there so that the sentence makes sense. All right, going forward, the next mnemonic that I have for us is for us to easily remember all of the 8 micronutrients that are listed in NCERT. So here's the mnemonic. Nick and Zane managed to board the ferry as the cops cleared the mob. Over here, Nick is for nickel, Zane for zinc, managed is for manganese, board is for boron, ferry is for iron, cops for copper, cleared is for chlorine, mob is for molybdenum. Again, to make it easy for you to remember, I have added a collage of certain images. Here you have Nick Jonas and Zayn Malik. Imagine a situation where Nick Jonas and Zayn Malik, both of them performed in an event, and after the event they headed off on a holiday, probably on this ferry boat, and there are a lot of fans that are crowding around them, and there are mobs that are trying to clear out the, there are cops that are trying to clear out the mob. Alright, so with this image in your head, it's very easy for you to remember this mnemonic as well as the 8 micronutrients. Alright, next I have a mnemonic to help you remember the 4 elements that are beneficial elements that are required by higher plants. Alright, so here's the mnemonic. Silly Selena drinks Coke soda. Silly here is for silicon, Selena is for selenium, Coke is for cobalt, and soda is for sodium. And right here is the image of Selena Gomez drinking Coke. So this image fixed in your heads should easily help you remember all of the 4 beneficial elements that are required by higher plants. So up next, I have mnemonics, a couple of them, to help you remember the list of elements whose deficiency causes certain deficiency symptoms. I'm going to be starting with the elements whose deficiency causes chlorosis. There are 8 elements whose deficiency can cause chlorosis in plants. You can easily remember that with this mnemonic. Money and marriage are irrelevant to Zen monks. As you can see in this image, there is money and marriage, and there's an image of certain Zen monks in a group meditating. Yeah. So since they are monks, money or marriage, it really shouldn't matter to them, right? So money here stands for manganese, marriage is for magnesium, irrelevant is for iron, Zen is for zinc, and monks is short for 4 elements. Mo is for molybdenum, N for nitrogen, K for potassium, and S is for sulfur. Next, I have a mnemonic which is similar to the one that we learned for macronutrients. Maggie, instead of chops, I have cut here calendula from the pot. So these elements, these 4 elements, their deficiency will cause necrosis in plants. So Maggie is again for magnesium, cut is for copper, calendula, calcium, pot is for potassium. And then finally, there are 2 other deficiency symptoms: inhibition of cell division and delay in flowering. Inhibition of cell division can be caused due to the deficiency of these 4 elements. So that's easy to remember with just one word, monks. I have added a relevant image as well. So MO is for molybdenum, N for nitrogen, K is for potassium, and S is for sulfur. And delay in flowering, I don't really know what this word means, so but I've added it anyway. MO here is for molybdenum, N is for nitrogen, and S is for sulfur. I hope this was helpful. In case you think anybody could be benefited from this video, please make sure you share this, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.